Yo, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlogs. And as always, I appreciate all the love and support. In today's video, we're gonna take the ZL1 out for a little drive, but we're gonna do things a little bit different today. I'm currently vlogging on my A7 IV right now, which is like a $5,500 setup. Today's video is gonna be all about this little guy right here, which is the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 with the wireless mic connected in the back, and we're gonna see what this thing can actually do. Today's vlog is gonna be all on this. Now, of course, it wouldn't be right if I didn't do the good old cold start, and we are gonna use my A7 IV. Smell that ethanol, baby. Let's go. Well, you guys, as you can see, now I am using a completely different camera. I am not using my actual vlogging camera, and the car is right here behind me. And what's really cool about this setup is literally I can step all the way back over here, and I'm not worried about the camera like losing where I am or anything like that. And the fact that it's shooting in 4K, what we're gonna do is I'm gonna get a different angle of this right here, because I want to see what the camera is actually picking up when I'm on like the other side of the car to see the reflection. The sun is coming down right now, but either way, like, it should still be really good. Let's take a look. And just like that, here's another angle of the car behind me. Like this. Oh, it's tracking me, bro. All right, we're gonna try that again, because it was tracking me, but now it's not, so you can actually see the car behind me. I forgot that I had this thing on auto track, and when you do that, this thing just literally follows you everywhere that you go. What I really want to do with this camera is we're gonna put it to the ultimate test, because this camera actually, a lot of people mount it on the back of the car, and that's how you get those super sick videos of the cars doing those rollers that you see people getting millions of views with. The arm, the blade arm, is on its way, and as soon as I get that, I'll review that for you guys too, and we'll get some rollers of both cars, this one and the other one. But right now I want to try to get these shots as the sun is still kind of semi coming down. It's sunset right now, so I want to get some good angles of this. Run the B-roll, baby. All right, you guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. It is super exciting to see what this camera can possibly do later on down the line with the car. I'm trying to get the background in there without it tracking me, because it's tracking me right now really well. But either way, hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. I'm working on it. I got to get better at it. I know I do. I got some practice to do, and I'm just going to keep practicing. And I will eventually get it down. I'm going to tell you guys that right now. I'm going to keep watching these YouTube videos online to figure out how I can get these angles. Plus, I'm going to get rollers as well. As soon as that blade arm comes in, we're going to make sure we get those rollers in. But for now, hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. A quick, simple, straightforward video, just testing out the difference between this camera compared to my camera that I use. And we'll see how things go. This is 4K 25 frames per second, man. Hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. If it's your first time on the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below. A thumbs up definitely helps out the channel. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you guys think. And in the meantime, between time, you guys know the drill. Dilla. Bow! Superman chilling right there. Prep time, chilling in the house. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.